Uh, Good morning. My name is Usman. I am presenting my paper in the International Congress on Educational Artificial Intelligence conference, which is currently happening in 3rd to 5th December 2024. The topic is AI in Education, a review of a lesson plan AI tool for Nigerian primary and secondary schools. I am from Nigeria, Sulolamido University, Jigawa State. So let me go to the points. The context of the AI is to enhance global education processes to be a uniform, a very wherever you go, you generate this kind of lesson plan. It will be like the same thing with this kind of lesson plan also. The focus is on I will examine the lesson plan AI tailored to Nigerian schools only to address the unique challenges we have. The challenges is constant use of a lesson plan. You write it yourself every day before you go to class. So this AI will help you to write it in less than 30 seconds. Well, in a normal or traditional sense, you write it in more than 20 or 30 minutes before you enter the class. That means the historical evolution is that means I want to transform the traditional method of teaching to tech enhanced learning method where AIs and other technological aspects will be used to write or to make a lesson in the class. The picture of the lesson plan is very interactive and educator friendly design. You can interact with it very friendly and it's very you can adapt it. The more you generate it, you can change some specific aspects, then it will be yours. The benefit is the streamlining planning, addressing diverse learners' needs. Everything related to the lesson plan, when you give it a topic, it will just generate a lesson plan for you. Uh, the challenges we are facing now is we know in Nigeria we don't have internet access in most of our secondary schools, so the government has to do its best to provide internet access and resources to these schools. The training, that means essential teachers preparation for effective use. We have to at least train the teachers and teach them how to use this kind of AI so that they will be able to use it effectively. There is a rich of misinformation. Need for oversight. We know that there is no any misinformation in this kind of AI because it was generally adapted or linked with the either Ministry of Education or Primary Universal Basic Education of Nigeria. So let us look at the practical aspects of the lesson plan. So you can scan it here and it will directly take you to the lesson plan. Okay, let me just go to there and make one or two examples so that we can call it up. So I have already see the link here. I have generated it here. Let me just exit the question. Already write a question myself. So I say write a lesson plan for GSS3 student on birth. So I will just click, then it will generate a lesson plan for me. Still waiting, then yeah, it is already there. So let us look at the content of the lesson plan. You see the name of school, you can insert the name of school, the date you can insert, the subject already English, the topic is verb, class JSS3 as we have said, duration is 40 minutes, gender mix, teaching aids or instructional materials are there provided by for you, no problem. Behavioral objectives also by the end of the lesson, student will be able to define verb and identify its functions in the sentence, identify the different type of verbs, transitive, intransitive, auxiliary, main, model, and so many other type of verbs that we know. The use of verbs correctly in a sentence. These are the behavioral objectives, what you want to achieve at the end of the lesson. Then the previous knowledge is there. The introduction, 5 minutes. Teacher will begin by asking students what they knew about verb, and so. Then the teacher will define the verb in the first step in the presentation here. 5 minutes and give example of verb. Then step two, types of verb. Step three, example and practice. Step five, correct tenses usage. Step six, sentence and construction or sentence construction. Then summary, 5 minutes. Also, you can see evaluation. You can see is 5 minutes. Also, homework or classwork. It depends on how you give it. Is 5 minutes also. Then the references you can see. Yeah, so note, this lesson plan can be adapted to fit the specific needs and phase of the student. The teacher should be prepared to adjust the lesson plan based on student responses and understanding. The duration of each step may need to be adjusted depending on the class gaps of the concepts. So this is very important actually, and this is what why we come to the end of the lesson of the presentation. I want to thank you all, and this is the end of the lesson. Thank you so much. I remain Usman Isa, and I wish you all the best. If you need the link and the paper, you can also access it in the down here. I have put the link there, so you can download it, and also you can get access to the AI lesson plan. Thank you so much.